What's going on, everybody? I am going to replace the gear oil in this 1996 Suzuki Intruder, the final drive actually, oil. So it's windy today. Hopefully my mic kind of doesn't allow that to show up much, but yeah, we're going to change the final gear drive oil. And yeah, you only need two tools. One's either a 17 millimeter socket. I'm using a wrench with the little ratcheting part, and then a 21 millimeter socket or wrench, whatever you got. I've only got a 21 millimeter socket. So anyway, this is the 17 millimeter, and the drain plug is the 21 millimeter. You take this plug off first, and then you drain it so you have good flow. This should be really easy. It'll probably take longer to drain the gear oil out than it is to do anything else. So we'll start off by taking the fill plug out. Hopefully. Ah, man. Plug does have an O-ring. I don't have replacement O-rings, and the only reason why we're changing this is because we don't know if it's ever been changed, and the bike has 6,422 miles on it, and the first time it should have been changed was, I think I've seen people say 900 miles or whatever. So we're changing it. We are using the Valvoline 80 weight 90 or whatever, 80-90 gear oil. It is GL5, which is I think it's kind of what it calls for. Anyway, I looked it up online, but as we know, oil conversation online can be a mess. So anyhow, I'm going to take the drain plug out now. See what kind of mess we can make. Yeah. Again, try not to put my fat self in the way. It's clean, I think. I'll show you a picture of it after it's done draining. Let me go get some rags. Yeah. Literally, we're probably halfway done with this project. Doesn't take much. You put the drain plug back in, and then you fill this up until it starts coming out the hole. Thought it took a quart, but I don't think it takes a quart. There is some grit and grime in there. I'll spray it down. I have a feeling that's going to be a mistake, me just wedging that up there, but brake parts cleaner in bulk is pretty nice. I'm just basically trying to clean this stuff out. Cleaned it all up. This did not have a O-ring on it, so not to worry about that. And we just wait until it all drains out. Again, this is the longest part of it. I'm gonna just open this up now. Probably. Need a knife. Since that's a big hole, I don't need to worry about cutting this at a, I'm just gonna probably cut this off. Probably at this bigger second line down. Hey, while this is draining, which is done, like, subscribe to my channel, please. If anything that I've done has been useful to you, would you subscribe and like, comment even? Would be great. I usually try to respond back to most people. I mean, some people are trolls and I don't mess with that, but like people say I'm breathing heavy and blah, blah, blah. Yeah, well, you know. It is what it is. That was pretty clean. I don't know if you can tell. Probably not. No, not especially on a black fucking glove, but that oil was pretty clean. Maybe you can tell within that cap. There is some oil in that cap. It's pretty clean. It is coming out slowly but surely. I don't know if I'll need to get a funnel in there or not. Alright, that's going to be good. Good enough for me anyway. Put that out here. All right, let's see if we can just dump it in without getting a funnel. Nope. Or slow down. How about that? That did not. If that's it, that didn't take much. I'm going to let it sit and settle down. So. 0.22 liters, 200 to 220 milliliters. And this milliliters I haven't used 200 yet, so. If I can move you somewhere else here to see. I'll go slow at it this time because you just spit out right away last time. It's coming. I think we're getting, it's about full. I'll show you here in a minute. It's coming out. I'm just going to let it sit, drain down, get all in there. See if it drains down and I can put more in it. I just want to make sure it's all the way full. I spilt some and I'm still not at probably 200 milliliters yet. Well, maybe it's 946 milliliters, so I'm probably right at it. All right, I think that's it. Probably won't be able to see. I'll try to get a flashlight, but it's just right to the top, and it's just started dribbling out there. So, and that's all you need. You obviously just can't put more in it than that, I guess. So then you put the plug back in, and that is all she wrote. Put the drain or fill plug back in. I'm sure that's tight enough. Well, literally, that's it. There's no more to it. besides clean up really. So yeah, 5-10 minute job. Just waiting for it to drain is the longest probably. Just take your time filling it back up, make sure it all settles down and gets to where it needs to be, and you're done. So anyway, again, please subscribe to my channel, like, put a comment down below, and we'll catch you next time. I don't know what else we're going to do on this bike. We need handlebars. I don't know if we're going to do it. Anyway, we'll catch you next time.